Hi everyone. Good morning and welcome to another lecture series for sequences and series. So we now discussing how to sum the terms of a sequence. Yeah, so some of the terms of a sequence. I'm talking about total, okay? Some of the terms of a sequence. Um we already discussed that. I'll bring again the formulas in case you forgot it, and then we can try with some examples. So in a previous lesson, I said to find the sum of the terms Sn is equal to, yes, what's the formula?
A plus C, A plus N minus 1B.
Speak louder, talk to the microphone.
A plus N minus 1B.
No, that's not it. That's to find the nth term. I told you it's n over 2 into bracket 2a plus into bracket n minus 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and you were telling me the wrong thing. Oh, Sn, you people, you're funny. Sn is equal to n over 2 into bracket. Can
A,
you check this one for, I think, was it a plus l?
A plus 1, 1.
No, 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 no. It can never be one. It was L.
A,
This is when the you have, sometimes I can give you a sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, then I give you the last term. So this sequence has an end. So if you have the last term, then to find the sum of the terms, you use this formula. But again, Uh, is that it? Am I correct? You can refer.
and when you have the last thing, use the A plus.
Yeah,
N.
L.
Yes, yes.
Uh, yeah. Yeah, it applies to finding the n term. To find the n term, it's a plus n minus 1d, right? And if you have the last term, then it's what? A plus L. Don't forget that. You see, most of the questions they give you, you don't have the last name. So just expect that in a question where you can they'll bring once the sequence has an end. The sequence has an end. There is a last name. Watch out. Just watch out. And now to explain further, I said typically when you are given a sequence, let's say to like what you see on the board right now, okay, and we ask you to find the sum of the first three terms. What's the answer? What's the sum of the first three terms?
The 11. So, A, 11. So,
Really?
then 12.
It's 12. Okay. Now, if I ask you to, what is, if, okay, this sequence has an end. But assuming we have a sequence with 100 terms, okay, 100 terms, and I ask you to find the sum of the first 99 terms, that becomes a lot of work, right? And
Yeah.
that means you reproducing all the terms and then adding them up. That is when the formula comes in. So this thing you created as 12, this formula would, if you use it properly, you will get the same 12. Do you understand? And so if it's something I can use my head to do, why the introduction of the formula? Yeah, so it's there so that questions where the sequence is long and stuff like that, you can use a formula to do that. So that is it. So let's start. My lips are just dry. I can't also find my gloss, lip gloss. Okay. Find the sum of the first 200 terms. Okay. Find the sum of the first 200, 200 terms of of an an AP of an AP. No, 200 terms of the AP whose first term is 7 and 200 term is 393. Okay, yeah. I'll add one more question. I'll do probably the first
Is it 393 or 395?
393.
Thank
Here.
you.
Let me add one more. I want I want something realistic. All the time be paying attention. Don't ig ignore the word EP. Appreciate its presence. Because you'll be doing GP soon, and now you need to have a reason in a question to conclude it's an AP before you can use an AP formula. Same applies to GP. The next question, find the sum of the first 13 terms of a linear sequence whose eighth term is 18 and 18, okay,
Okay.
18 and 11th term is 24. Yeah, let me know when you are ready.
Yeah.
Okay, so solution. Yeah. So the sum, find the sum of the first 200 terms of the AP. So it's a sequence, and they want us to find the sum of the first 200 terms. That's a lot. You see, That's a lot to just do it one after the other. So the formula will help save us a lot. Whose first term is 7 and 200 term is what? 293. Do you see what I'm seeing?
Yeah, 393.
393. Yeah. Do you see what I'm seeing?
Yes, yes.
This sequence, what's happening? What formula will you use and why?
Say,
What formula? A or B? B refers to the next one or A, the first one.
Said B.
And why?
Then B because it has the last
Good. Who answered this question? That was brilliant. Who answered that?
Fellas.
Good. Yeah, so that's it. You see, it says first 200 thing, but it has an end. Okay, so now we know that our formula is to find the sum of the, okay, in this case, it says 200. No, put the formula first. It's what? N over 2 into bracket A plus L. So the sum of the first 200, S 200 will be equal to, N will be what? 200, right? And I believe you know why it's 200.
Yes.
And the question they said E is 7, so 7 plus what? 210 is 393. Please continue for me. Just tell me you're right.
Okay.
Why will you waste my time on this? 200 over 2 is 100. Why would you waste my time? 7 plus 393 is what? People are not dependable. That's why I bought a calculator. 393 plus 7. Come again.
400.
Yeah. You ask students to calculate something and they'll just be there. 400 times 100 is what? 40,000. Yeah, so S 200 is, yeah, 40,000. That's it.
Hey.
Yeah. Any question?
No, sir.
Do the second one and let me know. I'll pause the recording. Are you still solving my question as you said? Are you still solving my question as you said?
Say we are done.
Ah, and you never told me that.
They will just
Hmm. So there's something going on your board. What is going on? I'm solving it. Okay. Because if there is a point you don't understand, let me know. Okay, so into equation. I just want to tell you guys, so now you know. I'm come to put in equation 2, so it will be 18 minus 7, 1D 4E, then plus 10D is already there. This equation 2 equals 24. Solving the D minus 17 plus 10, it will be minus 7.
It's seven. It's seven. Minus seven.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, minus 7 plus 10. That'll be 18 plus 3 equals 24. Yeah, 3D. So that'll be 3D equals 24 minus 18. 3D is equal to a 6. D is equal to 6 on 3. D is equal to 2. Now you know the put D equals 2 into equation 1. A plus 7D equals 18. A plus 7D equals 18. 18. A is what? Oh, we do not know, but 7 times or 2 equals 18. Did you get D as that?
Yes.
Good. Same solution.
Yes.
Okay. We could have simply used the elimination method, but I didn't teach that, so that's why I didn't bring it up, because that would have been simpler. A is 4. And the question said, find the sum of the first 13 terms. So S13, so Sn is equal to n over 2 into brackets. I'm lost. Yeah, I think so. We're correct. 2a plus n minus 1 to d. So S13 will be equal to 13 over 2 into bracket 2. A is 4 plus A is 4 plus 30 minus 1 will be 12. D is 2. So it will be equal to 13 onto 8 plus 24. 8 plus 24 is what? It's 32. So now 13 on 2, all right, times 32, 208. So the sum of the first 13 term is this. Did you get the same answer? Hello?
There.
Send me a picture of your solutions one after the other. Do so now. Don't keep long to do this. If you know you have a very bad connection, take your friend's phone and send from your friend's phone. Okay. I'm writing another question for you. Take your friend's phone and use it to send it to me now. Okay, the next one. I'm waiting. Yeah. Yeah, I. Okay, so I've seen the questions. Just solve this while I look at them. Hello. Solve this one while I look at your work now. Okay, right now I've seen your message. You are just refusing to use the full capacity of your brain, honestly. If the first term of an AP is 2 and the common difference is 3, find the sum of the first n terms. To find the sum of the nth terms, like the sum of the terms of a sequence, is given by the formula a plus, sorry, n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. This is a formula to find the sum of the nth terms. So if it's 210, 310, the sum of the nth term of a general sequence. There's a formula. And they said if the first term of a certain AP is 2 and its common difference is 3, find the sum of the first n terms. First n term. It has not given you the number of terms, right? But it says find the its sum. If you will not give it to me, we'll do it, right? So the sum of the n term, do you know? You don't know. first n term could mean first 310, first 1010, first 210. You don't know the number of them. So yeah, to find the sum of the n term, first n term is equal to n over 2, because the n you don't know, so still n over 2 into bracket 2. A is what? First term is what? 2. N is what? The n is of I don't know. The common difference was stated as what? 3. What's hard about this? 4 plus, expand this bracket. 3 will multiply everything in the bracket. So that'll be 3n minus what? 3. Hmm? That'll be 3n minus what? 3. So that'll be n over 2 into bracket 4 plus, no, 4 minus 3 is 1. So that'll be 1 plus what? 3n. Yeah, to find the sum of the n term. Let's see if we can go further. I think we can leave it here. Or if I'm to expand, that'll be n over 2 times 1, which is n over 2 plus 3n squared over. Look, guys, let's leave it here.
So
Yeah.
that's what it was.
You did not get anything. I asked you answer. You never told me anything.
That because I thought we were supposed to find the n itself, like
Why would
find
you,
the
the self find the sum of the first n terms? I've not given you the n terms. So you know that to find the sum of the nth terms, there's a formula. So you leave it there.
okay.
But even at that, you are given A and D, so I'll put it in a formula. I'll leave it there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then the II, it's continuous. So the first sum of the find the sum of the first 12 terms. So what was your answer?
Two.
Yeah, so right there now you just infer from I. So S12 will be equal to, you've reduced the right. So that'll be n over 2, right? N you know, so that'll be 12 over what? 12 on 2 into bracket 1 plus 3 times what? 12.
Sir, please, I don't understand that one.
Yeah, I'm just inferring. There's a formula to find the sum of the first n terms, right? There's a formula. First n term, when you know the first term is 2, the common difference is 3. So if it's up to you getting this,
Okay.
the question follows itself. Like it's a build on question. So yeah, you don't have to write to find sum of the is equal to n over 2 into bracket a plus n minus 1d. Then S12 is equal to, you are wasting your time. Read the question. If you read the question from stage 1 to stage 2, if you
Yes, sir.
if you use stage 1 properly, it has compressed everything to you here. N over 2 into bracket 1 plus 3. And so just substitute and go your way. So here will be 6 into bracket 12. 3 is what?
12. Eh?
36. 36 plus 1. 37. 3 times
Two,
12. Or
two.
36 plus 1. Is it not 37? Then 6 times 37 is what?
Two.
Like this. That's all.
Yes. Like you said.
Right.
Have a nice day.
You are not going yet. Why are you going to? You came to school late. I'm still teaching for 2 hours. Mm, yeah.
2 hours. 10:20.
There's another one. Look at this. Can I give you an assignment and then you'll be there? I have to come and beg you before you send the assignment for a review when you are there idle. Did you come to school at all?
Yes, that's not
You wasted your fare, you came to the school, we are doing something, you are just relaxed in your chair, watching me to continue, and you are not bothered. You think here we joke, eh?
No, sir.
If you're having network challenges, you can even ask madam to take a shot and send it to me. There's data all over. You are streaming, you are using internet. So you can be hotspot. Or
Okay.
I mean you can even take your friend's phone and send the work. I'm not asking you to waste money to buy, airtime, right? You can use your friend's phone to do that. Or we can hotspot one person, then you send a shot. The point is you ensure your solution get to me. You think I'll just
Okay.
come here and just be teaching without seeing you working at it, seeing how you're responding to it? No. Okay. Find the sum of the AP. All right, so tell me. So this one you do that too. I'll
So,
no tomorrow.
okay.
Okay. Yeah, solving it now.
The end.
Repeat what you said because we are recording a session. Repeat it.
Wait for the
Don't waste my time. Repeat it. I started the recording. What were you saying? Come again.
I was saying, say, the formula is n over 2 brackets a l.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be n. The a is the 1, and then the l is the 101. When
Mm-hmm.
you add it together, over 2 brackets 102. I
You get what? The last part I didn't hear.
n over 2 brackets 102.
And if you need some, right? So what's your
Yes.
problem?
My problem is that
Mm-hmm.
step is like I'm saying, say, should I divide
How do
2
you
divided
divide? You are stacked. Are you not stacked?
by
Are you not stacked?
times stack?
Now, in the formula, what you have established right now, you need something to complete everything. What do you need?
The common difference.
What?
You this boy.
What we have right now, what do you need?
The answer.
Your n, you need n, and you be complete, right? Now, ask yourself, do you have any formula that can help you get the n?
Yeah.
Go back to the formula which helps you calculate for n term, which is a plus l. R, is that right?
Yes, sir.
It's like this. The formula is like this. Just that. Yeah, I doubt. Oh.
Yes.
Okay. If that is it, I think you have everything it takes. So you'll be able to get the n term, right? You'll be able to know. You don't understand what? This is a sequence that has a beginning and an end. You just don't know the number of content on that line. You do not know, right? You do not know.
Yeah.
But with this formula, which is, I mean, to find the n term, the number of terms, the number of things on the line, which is a plus l, we use a lot. You have a, you can get a from the sequence, you can get l. If you get a and the l, you'll be able to tell the number of elements on the line on the sequence. Now that would be your n. The n is the number of terms. If you have n, you can come and substitute in what we are doing right now, and you have some. Do you get me?
Yes, sir.
I wonder what I was going to say. Do you want? So whatever you've done, where you are, you can say but. To find the n term is equal to a plus l. Then you do substitution. I'll be waiting.
Yes, sir.
This formula, I feel something is off. You see, when you write something and you feel like, no, this thing, go back to find the n term when you have the last term. It's not a plus l. You keep, I don't know. You keep supporting me making mistakes. None of you are just referring like being critical thinkers. I hate it. Because I see something is wrong. I feel like something is wrong. And none of you is just, it's wrong. This formula is wrong. Don't worry, I'll brainstorm to know. I don't know why you are being lazy. You're not learning. No. To find the n term, it's a plus what? N minus 1 what? D, right? Or um I'm coming. I'll just refer. As I just not doing any good. Yeah. Or I mean when you have the last term, it's equal to a plus, yeah, the same thing, n minus 1d. Yeah. I think that's what I gave you from the very, yeah. That's what I gave you the other time. So this one you have the last term. So this is what you have to use. So L is equal to a plus n minus 1 what d. Yeah, so yeah, carry on. I'm not gonna do it.
Yes, sir.
Since you are taking forever.
Oh, that's us. We want us. Want us. That I don't forget.
Okay. Hold on, I don't know what you're talking about. Hold on. You said you had what?
2601. The final
That's
answer.
correct, yeah. That's correct. So it's about knowing the last term to be 101. First term is 1 plus um n is what you're looking for. Common difference is um a 2. Yeah. But before you do, before you start solving, you have to show that common difference is equal to 3
Yeah.
minus 1. So common difference is what, 2. Then now you have 101 equals 1 plus 2n minus what, 2. Then you have, then you can choose to let 2n be here. That'll be 101 minus 1 plus 2. That's 100 plus, that's 102. 10, um, 102. So 102 is equal to 2n. 102 equals 2n. N is equal to 5, 1. N is equal to 51. Then now, um, the question says you should find the sum of the AP. And to find the sum, when you have the last term, it's equal to n over 2 into brackets, A plus what? L. And now n is 51. So that'll be 51 over 2 into brackets. What's A? A is 1 or something. A is 1. 1 plus L is 10. So if we do this, that'll be 51 over 2 into brackets 102. That will
Yes.
give you,
51 times 51. Ah, two go here, one, two go here,
yeah,
51.
of course, the final answer is 2601. Yeah, so that's it. That's the end of the lecture. I've sent you an assignment. Go and do that. The next time we meet, now look at how this can be applied, application of sequences and series. Yeah.